Welcome to Tech Tether. Netgear 48 Port PoE Switch Setup Installation. 1. Setup via Audio-Video (AV) interface. Power up your Netgear switch using its power adapter. If the light becomes solid yellow, apply the power again and let the switch LED go solid green. Now, connect an Ethernet cable from the computer's Ethernet port and the OOB or Ethernet network port on the switch. Load an internet browser now and type the default IP address of the switch. If you are using the Ethernet port of the switch, use 169.254.100.100. In case you have used the switch's OOB port, use the 192.168.0.239 IP. You will see the login page. To access the AV UI of the switch, type admin into the username field and leave the password field blank. Click the button labeled AV UI Login. Specify the password for your 48 Port PoE switch. Configure switch settings using the on-screen instructions. Save the changes. 2. 48 Port PoE Switch Setup via CLI. Connect the Ethernet cable to the appropriate ports of the switch and computer. If you have used the console port of the switch, start the terminal emulation program. For Windows OS, use Hyperterminal or Terra Term. If you are using Mac OS, use Term. Configure the terminal emulation program to use baud rate 115,200 bps, data bits 8, parity none, stop bit 1, flow control none. Log into the switch using the username admin. At the password prompt, leave the field blank and press enter. Specify the password for the switch. Use the CLI to configure the switch IP address and other settings. The switch is configured now. Thanks for watching.